Congratulations on today's match. How does it feel to have secured the bronze medal?
Especially at home Europeans, it's fantastic. Was unlucky yesterday about the result. Going into it could have been the finals, but coming away with a medal and especially the treble before this, it's an unreal feeling, especially being a solid part of the squad. It's good, especially to get this achievement today and get a third place medal.
And also well done in getting man of the match.
Yeah, thank you.
What was your highlight of the game?
Probably setting up the goal. I think it was the second goal. Just coming on, couple of touches and then moving the ball on. It's just simple hockey. It's how we won the match basically. Keep moving, boys work for each other. It's a good performance today.
What do you think worked particularly well for the team today?
Especially because of the result yesterday, we were pumped up to go, especially being at home. We couldn't leave it to become fourth place. So that was definitely a motivational aspect of the game to move forward and get a third medal.
And how much did the home crowd help for you today?
Yeah.
Throughout the weekend?
Oh yeah, it was fantastic. Really good support, especially everybody behind the scenes and stuff. Couldn't ask for more. Everybody's been really supportive, especially coming in today. Heads were still a wee bit low from yesterday, but we picked ourselves up, did well today, so they really helped a lot.
Did you feel more pressure coming into today because you were on home soil?
No, I particularly enjoy playing on home soil, especially with the crowd and stuff. I don't know why. Kind of showcase your ability a wee bit more. It makes it more enjoyable as well, having someone to support you. So I actually prefer. Some of the boys maybe feel differently, but for me it's a good aspect to have.
How much have you enjoyed the tournament overall?
Yeah, it's been fantastic to be part of, especially with the boys. You train with them 2 or 3 times a week, play games, so they do become a wee bit closer than friends at the end of the day. So it's good to have them there and good to spend time with them, and especially on the pitch, getting a win like that, it really brings the boys together. And tonight we toast it with a pint, so can't complain.
What's the main thing that you and the team will take away from this experience and take forward into other tournaments and matches?
Well, we've got the qualified for the EHL this year, so it's the A division in Europe, so that's going to be an even bigger test. What we have to do is just straight from pre-season, start hard, work hard for each other again, pretty much pick up where we left off here. Have a wee bit of downtime, but when it comes back to the hockey, we need to be focused and go for EHL in October.
Well done, and go and celebrate tonight.
I will do, thank you very much.